Hi guys, me and Vivian are going to a nature walk. Let's start. Look at this green ring.
Wow, look at this.
Don't touch it. It's going to sting you.
Oh, wow.
These things. Do you see them? Do you see them? Do you see this big ring? Touch it. It's so soft. Shout.
Wow.
Is it so soft? Wow.
It's so soft.
And it's so cold.
Let's go.
Okay. Look at this.
Wow. Wow. Look at this.
It's so small and teeny tiny. They're going to grow up just like these.
What? Let's go now.
Okay. Oh, pretty flowers.
Look at them. Oh, this is so small.
It's going to grow up like this.
Like this.
Yes. And be
Wow.
as tall as this.
Let's go now.
Pretty flower. Poor thing, so smart. Wow, look at this. Touch it.
It's so soft. Let's go.
Look at this. So
What?
tiny. And they have spikes on them.
Let's
things.
go now. Let's go. Let's go.
They have so many spikes.
Wow. Look, pink flowers.
Don't fall.
Okay.
Or mom will beat you. If you do. Look at this.
So beautiful.
A nature walk is so smart.
Let's go now.
It looks so smart.
Wow. Look, yellow flower.
Ooh. Let me just get it.
Let's go.
Let me put it in there. Look.
Stop, Cassie.
Look, it's so smart. Other yellow flowers.
Pink.
It's so pretty.
Let me take one for me.
Have you ever gone to this nature? Wow. So
I
smart.
never go to this.
Wow. Nature
Even
so
this.
Look at that big tree. over
Wow.
there. Let's go.
Let's go now. Is that yellow flower again?
Like
Wow.
a jumping rope. This one.
It looks like a jumping rope.
Yes.
But I like jumping.
Yes. We like jumping. Do you like jumping on the bed? Okay. Let's go.
Look at this.
Oh.
The yellow flower.
Wow.
No, it's this.
Oh. Let's go. Look at the grass. And this. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's so smart. Stop spinning.
Look at this. Have a stick.
Let's go. Let's go. Some of these are just people. There's so many people.
And there are so many shops.
Yes. Like that one and that. And so many houses.
Yay!
Wow. Look at that tree.
Wow, so big. Yeah. Look that big tree.
There's so many big trees.
I mean,
Yes. And the birds.
but this way.
The birds are chirping.
No,
Let's go back.
So
We had a nature walk. So guys, that was our nature walk. It's so wonderful. Your hand. Do you have your flower?
I throw it.
We're still going to continue down there. Let's go.
I'm so tired.
Don't be tired when there's so many stuff to learn.
Okay. I will get tired. I'm tired.
Don't just worry. These flowers are amazing. With those pretty white or purple. I don't know. They're just amazing. Nature is about everything. You can learn. You can do anything to obsess. It's so smart.
Look at that. So beautiful.
Wow.
It's
Look
so
at the clouds. Wow. Clouds
See
are
the birds.
beautiful.
Birds.
Birds are flying.
There's still many.
Let's go. We're still walking.
I'm so
Ooh,
tired.
There's so many green things.
I got things. I'm so tired.
They're so tired.
Hey,
There's nothing to be tired of. Whoa. Watch your step. Wow. Oh my gosh.
it's so much fun.
Look at that farm.
Wow. I see squirrels small. Look at this.
Look at the building.
Look at flowers.
Wow. This is look at those. They're so pretty.
But there's still many people.
Since you like jumping, let's skip together. Whoa. Watch the steps.
Okay, but I'm tired.
You're tired. Look at this. Look at the back of it. So white.
What?
Wow. So amazing to have white things. Since my father likes white, I'll give him that for his birthday.
So when your mommy wants like purple. Okay.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Ooh.
They're so
Wow.
beautiful.
Like the ones that we saw. So smart. Let's continue. Look at those red things over there.
I can reach it.
We go back.
Okay.
We stop. It's so awesome. Hey guys, that nature walk was fire. Then soon watch out for part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.